You know, I just got back from London where I attended Rita Dominic's wedding. It was so beautiful. It was so classy. I loved every bit of my short stay in London. I had such a good time. It was amazing. It was beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Ooh, don't I look good today? Tell me in the comments, okay? Don't I look good today? I'll tell you guys why I'm looking this good. I just returned from a beautiful trip and I will get right into it, okay? Okay, today's video is going to be one of my What's New with Alma episodes where I talk about what is happening in everybody else's life apart from my own. If this is your first time watching one of these, I would leave a playlist up here. Go and catch up, okay? Go and catch up and get informed, all right? Okay, so without further ado, without wasting too much of your precious time, let's get right into this video. It's a very exciting one, okay? Alright, so a few days ago, popular Nigerian actress Rita Dominic got married in London. Got married in this beautiful high-class wedding in London, and yours truly was there to witness all of it. Yes, I was there live and direct. Yes, I was there live on social media with my phone, watching the wedding as it went down. Yes, I didn't go anywhere, obviously. I was live on social media just like you, monitoring the wedding and knowing what was going on. And oh my goodness, that woman is class personified. To be very honest, I did not expect anything less from Rita. Okay, I mean, come on, she's Auntie Riri. She's our auntie. I did not expect anything less from her for her white wedding. In fact, once I heard the wedding was happening in London, I'm like, yeah, exactly as I expected. High class, no crowd, beautiful, absolutely stunning. From her wedding dress, mwah, beautiful. Let me do small fashion police here. From her wedding dress, in fact her wedding dresses, the very first one she wore to church, then the reception dress, then the after party dress, she stunned from head to toe. Okay, she looked absolutely beautiful. She looks like $1,000,000. The wedding itself was just like something out of a storybook. From the castle-like venue to the look, you guys see, I will just, as I'm talking to you people, I'll be leaving videos, I'll be leaving pictures, so you guys will see everything that went down in London this last weekend. Okay, and I was there, you guys, I was there live and direct on social media. I dressed up in my house. I wore my black beautiful dress because I could tell that the dress code was black. Many of the guests were dressed in black, so I guessed that the dress code was actually black. All right, I wore my cute black dress behind the scenes, and see, I attended that wedding on social media. Okay, argue with your ancestors. Everything was beautifully done. The couple had only their close friends and family at this wedding, which, to be honest, I'm all for it. Okay, that's why they had a big trad wedding here in Nigeria, so they could have their intimate white wedding abroad with just their close friends and family. I'm all for it. The bridesmaids looked absolutely stunning in white, and the fur capes, oh my goodness, like see, it was giving me different vibes and I loved it. Okay, everybody was looking beautiful, everybody was looking stunning. And while we are still on this wedding, let's do chinkly fashion police and talk about at least my top looks. Okay, my top looks at this wedding, maybe about 3 or 4 looks that really stood out for me at this wedding. All right, like I said before, the guests were probably all dressed in black from what I could see on the internet, and somebody who stuck out for me was Tokema Kinwa. I loved what she wore. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely classy. She had on this long sleeve black dress with, you know, silver embellishments at the top and the bodice, the sleeves. It was just stunning. Okay, it fitted her petite frame absolutely well. I loved her choice of hairstyle with the updo. It was just classy. It was giving classy chic and I loved it. Also really loved her accessories, her shoes and her bag. They also had that silver embellishment that was just popping, and you know, she just looked really nice, very decent if I might add. She looked pretty decent. You don't really see Tokia wearing a lot of covered outfits head to toe, but she looked really classy, really stunning, really beautiful. I loved that outfit so much. One of my favorite looks also was Tubo Bereni, the founder of the clothing brand Tubo, and look, look. I loved her outfit. If you know Tubo, you know that she's obsessed with corsets. Okay, she loves this corset fitted detailing when it comes to outfits, and I wasn't shocked to see her wearing something corset like. All right, it was a black outfit, but the corset part was brown, and I just loved how it looked on her. She has the body to carry these dresses, and she's an amazing designer as well, so she knows what suits her body very, very well. I believe she also designed one of Rita's wedding dresses, I believe, and she did an awesome job as always. She looked absolutely beautiful, stunning, classy. I also loved her hairstyle so much. I loved the updo, I loved the fringe. Like, she was looking like $1,000,000, and I absolutely loved her look. Another person whose outfits I saw that I loved so much was Lillian Afebai. She wore a very simple but classy outfit, a nice fitted black dress. It did have some corset detailing that I really loved, and I actually liked her choice of shoes. She went with like lime green pointies. I loved that pop of color to the black, just so that the look does not get boring. I love that she popped some colors with the outfit. It looked so nice on her. Again, she has the body to carry it. Most of these women, their bodies are fire. Okay, she has the body to carry this outfit. It looked so nice. I loved her hairstyle as well. I loved the half up half down thing that she was doing with her hair. She just looked beautiful and fresh. Her look was very fresh. I loved that fresh look. She looked like a real breath of fresh air, and I loved that. The last look that stood out for me was Chioma Akpota, Chioma Chukwuka. You guys know her, Nigerian actress, a good friend to Rita Dominic, and I loved her outfit. Might I just add that Chioma has been looking so takeaway, so hot, so beautiful. I don't know what's going on. She was looking beautiful. I loved her outfit. It was so nice. It was a beautiful hand-beaded lace and sequin dress. Very simple style, but I feel like the fabric really brought out the dress. It fitted her like a glove. Like, it fitted her to the T. Whoever did this dress for her or more, it fitted her like a glove. I loved the sleeves on this dress. I loved the corset. I loved the skirt part of the dress. I loved everything. The only thing that I don't think I really liked was her headband. Okay, she was wearing a silver or a white headband, and I don't think I liked it. I feel like if she had taken off the headband, she would have looked a lot more classy, in my opinion. But aside that, I love her outfit. It was so beautiful on her. Mwah. Beautiful. With that being said, I wish Rita Dominic a lovely happy married life. Like, I feel like I know her personally. I am so happy for her. You guys don't even understand. I'm so happy for her, and I wish her all of the best in this new phase of her life with her new husband. Amazing. Still on weddings, Nigerian actors Peggy Ovire and Frederick Leonard recently had their traditional wedding in Delta State, okay, about a week plus ago at this point. And I think I came here to tell you guys in one of my last episodes that they were engaged and all of that, and they have now had their traditional wedding as predicted by many Instagram blogs, okay? And it was a lovely wedding. Peggy looked beautiful in her outfits. I mean, she's a beautiful woman, so she looked absolutely gorgeous. Frederick looked handsome and dapper as always. You know, that guy, he's a fine guy, so he carried himself well. The highlight of that wedding was when Peggy went on her knees and was professing love for her new husband, how things have been with them all of these years, you know, how she stuck with him even when he don't have anything, you know, and all of that. About that, I feel like for me, I feel like there are just some things that are better left unsaid, okay? I feel like it's your wedding day. Enjoy it. Have a blast. Have a good time. Dance the night away. Enjoy your new husband. Just have a beautiful, enjoy your day. I don't think your wedding day is the day to, I get it, your husband, you know, you literally were with him for how many years, you stood by him when he had nothing, you know, all of these lovely things she was saying about Frederick, beautiful. But I just feel like your wedding day is not the day, right, to be saying all of these things. I feel like give it some time, okay? Do your white wedding, enjoy your marriage small. Then you can now come out and, you know, say these things. I don't know, guys. I don't know. And then she was on her knees. Just like, I don't know. I get it that I don't know, Sha. What do you guys think about that video? Let me know in the comment section below. It was just a bit cringy for me, but other than that, they had a lovely wedding and they're a beautiful couple. They look so good together. I love them together. Like, two of them together, I love them. I also wish them a very happy married life, and we are still here obviously waiting for the white wedding, because that is still going to happen. Okay, so we are here waiting for the white wedding. Still on romance, engagements, weddings, and all of that shebang, Nigerian DJ Copy recently got engaged to her longtime boyfriend. Okay, this came as a shock to so many people, because DJ Copy is famous for proclaiming singlehood on social media, saying she's single, this, that, single girl, singlehood. She's always famous for always talking about being single and how single women should do this and do that, not do this, not do that. She's famous for that. So it came as a shock to Nigerians when we all woke up that morning to see that DJ Copy had gotten engaged to her British bobo. Okay, her British bobo. People were like, okay, we thought you were single though. We thought you didn't have any boyfriend though. Just goes to show you guys that, people want you to see what they want you to see on social media. This lady had a bobo that she was obviously happy with, and the moment he popped the question, she said yes. She deceived all of you on social media. You people all thought she was a single girl. It's really serious. It's really serious. Just because you did not know about it does not mean it was not happening. Okay, the same thing that Peggy and Frederick did to you people, Copy did it to you people as well. Okay, that girl, I like her way, Sha. But congratulations are in order for DJ Copy on her new engagement, and we are waiting for wedding bells. As Femi Otedola's daughter, we know that wedding is not going to be an easy wedding. We know that they are going to shut down the whole world with that wedding, and we are waiting for it. Okay, on this my seat, I'll be here waiting to give you guys the tea and the gist or when that wedding goes down. So now on to some sad news that we received a few days ago. Popular Nigerian gospel artist Sammy Oso passed away at the age of 51, and that news came as such a shock to me, you guys, because see, how do people just die like that? I still don't get it. I still don't understand it. How? He was hypertensive and he passed away recently, and I don't know what to make of this news, because you know, sometime last year, was it last year or earlier this year, he was in the news for some not so palatable gist. He owned up to having an affair, okay, outside his marriage, and he was strongly castigated for that. Even though he came out and he even apologized, Nigerians still crucified that man. Okay, I hear that some churches turned their backs against him, you know, family turned their backs against him. I just feel like it was a very messy time for him, and believe it or not, for somebody who is hypertensive, I don't think that saga helped him in any way. I feel like, you know, it may have contributed to this sudden death of his and all of that, and it's just really sad, you guys. It's just really sad. I really pray that his family is comforted. I mean, he left behind a wife and I don't know how many kids, but it was a very sudden loss for Nigerians and for the Nigerian gospel community. Very sudden loss, and I don't know, guys, he was such a force in the gospel industry, such a force. There was nobody like him doing what he was doing. So it's just really sad, and I pray that his soul rests in peace. I pray that God comforts his family, and yeah, just very sad news. Now on to some more gist. Davido and Chioma were spotted today actually at his uncle's inauguration that happened today. If you don't know, Davido and Chioma recently lost their 3-year-old son Ifeanyi to drowning just a couple of weeks ago at this point, and ever since then obviously they have been off social media. Nobody has seen Davido's break light or Chioma's break light. Obviously they have been in grief and all of that, and this is their first public outing ever since, you know, they lost their son. And it was just really good to see the smiles on Davido's face again. I mean, you guys know that guy is always full of life, very bubbly personality, very bubbly guy, and only God knows how the death of his son has really affected him and Chioma. But yes, he came out for his uncle today, and you know, there were a couple of photographs of him on the internet, you know, smiling and just trying to be happy, surrounded by his best guys, his family and all of that. You know, you could see that he was just trying to be himself again. The same thing with Chioma as well. You know, you could tell that these two have actually been through a lot in the last couple of weeks, but they are standing strong and they are looking good. Okay, also might I add, it looks as if those two have gotten married, because Davido was spotted with a wedding band as well as Chioma. Rumors were going around a couple of weeks ago that they had gotten married secretly after their son passed away, and I feel like it was confirmed today because they were both spotted wearing wedding bands. If that is true, a huge congratulations to Davido and Chioma on their wedding. Okay, what can I say? I wish those two people all the happiness in the world. I pray they find joy again, because I can't even begin to imagine what they have been through in the last couple of weeks. But I pray that God continues to comfort them, bring them joy and bring them peace again, make them happy again. That's my genuine prayer for them. Can we talk about the new Naira notes that the CBN is about to release into circulation, okay, in the coming weeks? Yes. I did say in my last What's New episode that the Central Bank of Nigeria had announced that come December 15th, we would have new Naira notes in circulation to replace the older ones. And for me, I love the reason behind it. I mean, the economy was falling yakata and they had to do something about it. And I loved the reason behind it. However, guys, these new Naira notes are not Naira. Now, after these photos were posted on Twitter, Nigeria went crazy because people are like, okay, we get it that you need to redesign the Naira notes, but what in the laziness is this? When these photographs dropped, I prefer even our older currency, not the one that we're using now, the older one. I prefer it to this new one they want to bring out. What in the hell is going on here? They literally took our 1,000 Naira notes and saturated the blue to the highest, took our 200 Naira notes, saturated the red to the highest, took our 500 Naira notes and saturated the green to the highest. And they say they have redesigned our Naira notes. Nigeria. If they tell you how much they spent to redesign those notes, you will not believe it. And we know that when they want to do anything in this country, it has to be billion. We know. But if you are spending billion to redesign the Naira notes, what in the heck is that? Anybody can do that. We even saw people on Twitter going on Photoshop to mimic the new designs. Literally in 1 minute, you've redesigned those notes with what they gave to us. 1 minute on Photoshop, 1 minute on maybe apps like Canva or whatever, you have redesigned those notes too. It's just really pathetic, and people are just like, this country never ceases to amaze us. Let me tell you guys, don't get me wrong, I love the idea behind new notes. I love the reason. I love what the economy stands to gain, okay, with the new Naira notes. But at the same time, I believe that more effort should have been put into redesigning those notes, because they do not look good at all. They don't look good at all. And in my head, I feel like, please do not send those notes into circulation. Please do not. Please do do something better, or leave us with our old notes in peace. Please, because that was not impressive at all. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section about what our new Naira notes are looking like. Let's talk about it in the comment section, okay? And last but not least, the World Cup has started. Where have you been? What have you been doing with your life? If you don't know that the World Cup has started. Now, for me, the World Cup is the only time you will catch me watching football. I don't watch football. I don't care for football. But you see the World Cup? The World Cup is the only time you would see me watching football, whether or not Nigeria is playing or not. I love watching the World Cup. I love the thrill that comes with it. I love the euphoria. I love the excitement. I love everything that comes with the World Cup. And ever since it began, I have been watching back to back all of the matches. Nigeria did not even qualify for World Cup save, but I'm still watching. At least other countries in Africa that's qualified, we will now have to support them. What do you guys think? It has been super interesting following the World Cup. If I had plenty money, I would have even gone to Qatar for this World Cup. I would have entered plane and gone to Qatar to witness this World Cup live, because it's one thing I really want to witness on my bucket list, to actually like go for a World Cup, one of the World Cups. But yeah, I've just been enjoying watching it. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. What are your favorite teams? Is there any country you're supporting? Let me know in the comments, okay? Let's discuss football just a tiny little bit on this channel, okay? All right, that's all I have for you guys in today's episode of What's New with Alma. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section as always down below. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Come, don't go anywhere. Subscribe before you leave. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed watching. Leave me a comment and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.